Popular Bitcoin analyst and former institutional investor Plan B has asked his 1.8 million Twitter followers to prepare for a massive Bitcoin bull run that could see the leading cryptocurrency's market cap expanding by hundreds of billions of dollars in only one cycle. In one of his most recent tweets, the pseudonymous analyst states that Bitcoin is currently in the early stages of a bull market and slowly beginning to transition into a full-blown Stage 2 bull market. But there's a catch. Plan B believes the crypto asset's price is still so low because of the concerted efforts by regulators, mainstream media, and the traditional finance industry to keep it that way. And they all have the same purpose: to keep prices low and cheap for BlackRock and other Wall Street giants that have applied to the SEC for a spot Bitcoin ETF. When BlackRock is done accumulating, the anonymous analyst believes we will immediately begin to see Bitcoin prices take off. Here is Plan B tweet. Bitcoin is in Stage 1. Early bull market, which is marked in blue. Of course, BlackRock wants to buy cheap just before ETF approval and just before Stage 2 full-blown bull market. There have been lots of discussions about BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF application over the past few weeks. While some believe it's a great idea and a strong motivator for other big money investors to put some money in Bitcoin, others believe it's going to be a catastrophe that would contradict and negate everything Bitcoin was created to do. Morgan Creek Capital founder and managing director Mark Yusko also previously hinted at the ongoing manipulation behind the scenes to keep Bitcoin cheap for BlackRock and other institutional investors. In one of his interviews, Yusko said after the Wall Street giants decided to invest in Bitcoin, their first agenda was to keep prices down so they could buy cheaply. Yusko believes they were easily able to achieve that with the FTX debacle last year. On the issue of possible price manipulation by institutional investors, Plan B, a former institutional investor himself, says this is the popular mode of operation. While replying to a comment on one of his tweets, Plan B states, "I know that when large institutional investors buy, usually buy orders are multiple day, week, month events, they simultaneously do a negative media campaign on the asset they are buying, and of course they promote the stuff they are dumping." Since BlackRock applied for a spot Bitcoin ETF application, a venture which many other firms have failed over the past 10 years, there have been lots of discussions about how the approval of the application will impact Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency market. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with an impressive list of clients, including rich and powerful individuals, companies, governments, and foundations. The asset manager has almost 100 offices in 38 countries worldwide. Even if only half of these big money investors put a small percentage of their massive investment portfolios in Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency industry will begin to have record high inflows annually. But there will be a huge price to pay for the involvement of Wall Street giants known for their constant manipulation and extremely centralized business practices. Many Bitcoin investors have predicted that BlackRock could easily turn Bitcoin into another gold with the constant price manipulation and highly unethical, but surprisingly mostly legal business practices. Let's know what you think about BlackRock's application and what it would mean for the entire cryptocurrency industry while we bring you more tweets from Plan B. If you are yet to do so, also ensure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notifications bell for more. In a reply to another comment under his original tweet, Plan B answers an important question on everyone's mind. A Twitter user asks, "When will Stage 2 be?" And Plan B answers with, "We know when we get there because the model flips green." We are not at Stage 2 yet, but we are definitely getting closer, especially with the coming halving event. Plan B is the creator of the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, and recently pointed out how advantageous the next halving event will be for Bitcoin. According to Plan B, after the next halving event, which will have the Bitcoin block, rewards Bitcoin will become scarcer than real estate and highly undervalued compared to assets like gold, silver, and diamond. He states as much in a previous tweet from a few days ago. The tweet reads, "Bitcoin, stock-to-flow model 58, market value $400 billion, is extremely undervalued compared to gold, stock-to-flow model 60 with a market value of approximately $10 trillion. Diamonds, stock-to-flow model 40 with a market value of approximately $1 trillion. Silver, stock-to-flow model 30 with a market value of approximately $500 billion. He ends the tweet by asking, "How will markets react after 2024 halving when Bitcoin's stock-to-flow model goes to 110, which is greater than that of real estate?" What will happen after the halving is unknown, but Plan B believes Bitcoin should be trading between $40,000 to $50,000 per coin before the halving event next year. In a recent strategy session, the former institutional investor said, "The big question is what will the price of Bitcoin be at the 2024 April halving? We can try and estimate that from only this 200-week moving average. The 200-week moving average increases currently at about $500 a month, so 9 times $500 will be $4,500, and Bitcoin's 200-week moving average right now is a little under $28,000. So $28,000 plus $4,000 is an approximate $32,000 200-week moving average at the halving. And Bitcoin would be above that, and it usually would be like 50% above that, which would indicate a range of Bitcoin at the halving between $40,000 and $50,000. Are you tired of the boring old stocks and bonds and would like to add some much-needed variety to your retirement savings account? Look no further than iTrust Capital, America's #1 self-directed digital IRA platform for individual investors. iTrust Capital allows you to enjoy the flexibility and tax benefits of individual retirement accounts (IRA) while investing in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. With over 30 popular cryptocurrency offerings including Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Axie Infinity, Polygon, and Uniswap, you can invest in all your favorite cryptocurrencies and trade them 24 hours a day and 7 days a week from the comfort of your homes. You can also invest in physical gold and silver, while personally taking charge of your retirement plans and future with iTrust Capital. iTrust Capital is committed to providing a safe and secure platform for investors. The platform uses advanced security measures such as multi-factor authentication and cold storage to protect investors' assets and information. iTrust Capital is also regulated by the SEC and FINRA, ensuring investors are protected by the highest regulatory standards. Investing just got more exciting with iTrust Capital's new conditional transactions feature. This feature allows you to set conditional buy and sell orders so you never miss out on market rallies or get trapped during downtrends. Step into an exciting new world of opportunities with America's #1 crypto IRA platform by following the link in the description box below. It is safe and secure and gives you the much-needed variety for your traditional Roth, SEP, or simple IRA. Don't miss out on the chance to invest in the future of finance. Click the link below to get started. What are your thoughts on Plan B's predictions? Do you think the BlackRock ETF application will usher in the next phase of the Bitcoin bull run? Please drop your comments and observations in the comments section below. Also, ensure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.